guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Yes, it's finally the time to shine. We are just about wrapped up with our 2026 Street Glide giveaway, man. So that means we got to get something else on the list, man. So with that being said, before we start the show, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that. We are at Copart right now. Now, if you guys tuned in the other day, man, you seen we scored a 2025 Road Glide, a whole bunch of little goodies on there, and it happens to be a clean title. So here we are, ready to pick it up, man. I got the trailer loaded up. They pulled us into Copart already and was just like, all right, just stay right there. We'll bring it to you or we'll have you come to us. So I can't wait. Let's check this bike out. And hopefully it's like no hidden damage, man. So we'll see what's up. Y'all stay tuned. Meanwhile, if you guys did enter in for a chance to win our 2026 Street Glide, I definitely appreciate your support, man. Without people like you, we wouldn't be able to do the stuff we do. And if you missed out on that one, man, we got the next big thing right now. Head on over to the website, everythingsregular.net. You can get in for a chance to win our 2025 Road Glide with the oohs and the ahs, man. I can't wait. It's gonna be fun because we don't have a paint set. All we gotta do is fix the bike and paint it up. So it should be a task, and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully everything on the bike is what it is, man, and we'll check it out, man. Let's go see what's up. Get this show on the road. Bike is already coming out. Let's see, there it is. Yes, sir. There it is. 2025 Road Glide. 2025 Road Glide. 2025. There it is. There it is, 2025 Road Glide. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate you. That was like the fastest ever. Pro status. Have a good one, man. See ya. Yes, sir. I'm gonna wait for him to pull off so I can pick up the camera and see what we got. But first glance, not looking too bad at all, honestly. Not looking too bad at all, honestly. Okay. I'm gonna check it out here with you guys in just a second. Gonna get this show on the road. Let's see what we got. All right, here we have it. 2025 Road Glide. Of course, we're gonna need a new fender. It looks like we're gonna need a new triple tree or forks. I know forks on that side. On this side, we're gonna have to take the whole front end off to see what's the real damage. Probably just triple trees, no big deal there. Of course, we gotta clean the bike up. We got a nice air breather. I'm not sure what making of air breather it is, but we got an air breather. We got 2-in-1 Bassani exhaust, so that's a plus there. Now I'm looking for some signs on the cylinder jugs. No signs, so it might just have a cam on it. Like I say, all black, easy to put back together because you know all the stock parts on eBay is pretty much black, man. We got this piece already. No big deal there. I'm glad we got this side together and working. No saddlebags on this. So yeah, we got to get saddlebags. But like I say, 2-in-1 Bassani exhaust. Big chain gang on the bike. Chain gang on the bike, man. I'm not gonna hold you. Of course, it's got the 117 on there, be nod. 117 on there, be nod. Now, like I said, I was looking for the casings to see if they had like a stamp or an S&S stamp or anything like that, so we can know if it was like actually like really built other than just the cam and stuff. But from what I'm seeing, it looks like we're gonna need like an inner primary. It looked like we're gonna need like an inner primary or outer inner primary as well, because this thing is freaking knocked off the bolt. So I may have one of these. I'm not sure. I have to check with my guy. If I don't got one, I'm sure one of my friends have one. So we'll have to see about that. But that's probably like the most worst part right now, honestly, is this freaking shifter piece. You ain't got nowhere to put it into. So this is definitely gonna be a task, but I'm not gonna hold you. Being that this piece is broke, we might be able to freaking powder coat this up, being that we gotta take it off and replace it anyway. But from there, of course, we got damaged gas tank. It does look like we had an aftermarket seat. Seat looks to be pretty cool. No big deal there. If I come up here, of course, the forks is totally bent. Now, if you guys see, the wheel is straight right now. That's how crooked the bars is right there, man. The wheels are straight, but everything else is crooked. So we're just gonna have to take the whole front end off. Of course, we got speakers and everything up here. The radio is totally damaged. That's probably like the most expensive part right now, is this radio and that little primary piece, man. So between those two, I got a little task on my hands. We do got the keys here, so that's a plus. And heck, we'll see what else we can get done. Inner and outer fairing there. Everything else on it seems cool. Nothing that we haven't done before, man, but all in all, definitely a task, man. So need a new headlight. The headlight in that radio is literally gonna be the most expensive pieces, man. But other than that, I'm pretty excited about this one. This one should be a pretty easy fix, judging we get all the parts and stuff for it, man. So let's hope we can find a deal on these parts and get it together. Meanwhile, I'm about to strap this sucker down and we'll see what we can get done. Whew. It's crazy. It was just thunderstorming and everything out here. It's freaking hot as ever now, though. I ain't gonna even hold you. It's hot as ever right now, brother. Good 90-something degrees, man. If y'all just now tuning in, man, make sure you like the video for your boy. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our Street Glide, judging when this video comes out, it'll probably come out before the giveaway. So you guys got a couple hours to get in for a chance to win. I guess I'll put the other one on so I can just scoot them both forward like that. Meanwhile, it is definitely a movie, man. Like I said, clean title, as bad as it looks. I know some of y'all about to be like, how is that a clean title, man? There's no way, Jack. Look at that thing, man. Well, Jack, let me tell you, I done brought some stuff back from the dead that you wouldn't believe, man. But it's all good. We gonna get you right if you let me. Man. Head on over to the website, everythingsregular.net. I'm gonna give you a chance to win. Now, I don't know what the entries are this morning, but if you look at my live video, you'll be able to see what the deal of the day is, man. Y'all go get in. We going live today at 6 p.m. Today at 6 p.m. we going live giving away our 2026 Street Glide. Golly. Let me see. I was trying to push this sucker up, but we just gonna have to do it like this with the tie downs. Hot as ever, boy. Y'all just now tuning in. Golly, them bars whooped. Bars overly whooped, man. Whew. Burning up in this thing, man. I'm not gonna hold you. We ready now, y'all. So first things first, I know we gotta get some triple trees and some fork legs. That's gonna be the main thing up here. We might even need to get a piece for the bars because it's moving too much. It's like, gotta be stripped out up there. It's like, if you see, the bars easily move up and down, and then the bushings are whooped. So triple trees, bushings, or handlebar bushings rather, we should be good to go. They say you a hot boy, lay on a hot car. Tighten that down so the seat don't fly off, huh? I probably could have paid a lot less for it, to be honest with you. Probably could have paid a lot less for it. All in all, we got a new Road Glide, ready to roll. Got chain gang. We got everything here. So now we gotta go to the car wash, wipe this sucker off before we take it to the garage. And once we take it to the garage, we'll start taking all the old parts off, man. So y'all stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to the car wash and clean this sucker up now, shall we? Alrighty, we done made it to the car wash. Gotta get this thing shined down. some soap on this sucker. Ain't no soap coming out yet. See if I can scrub a dub real quick. Just get a little something on here. A little scrub. Nothing too crazy. Alrighty. That's all she wrote. And I was hitting you because I was trying to see if you had Jimbo number. I didn't even know who bike it was, so I'm glad you told me. I sure want to know what he did to it.
I got Jimbo number. Yeah, I'll give it to you. I'll send it to you right now.
All right, bet. Yeah, send it to me, man. I appreciate it.
All right, that's a bit. I got you, bro.
All right, cool. All right, so we got Jimbo number. We gonna call Jimbo. Let's see if he answers, man. He don't know the number, so I doubt he answered for real.
Hello?
Jimbo, what's going on, man?
What it do?
Man, it's everything regular. How you doing, man? You know, I just bought your bike out of Copart, man. They said that was your bike, the black Road Glide.
Yeah, it's just like the same shit done to it, just like my new one.
Man, so see, I don't know what your new one looked like, man. I didn't even know you had a see. I only bidded on it because I seen it had a chain and stuff on it. I was like, ooh, somebody did something to it, man. So can you give me the rundown on what you did to this bike, man, or what?
I got the same bike. Remember, I was running it the other night.
Okay, got you. Okay, bet. Okay, yeah, you do got a new black one.
Remember, you talking about you gonna get on my ass?
Yeah, this the white dude, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, man. What's up, man?
Yeah.
That's
so
funny as shit.
It's got a Cyclorama cam.
Okay.
It's got the lifters, the push rods, the chain kit, the Bassani exhaust with the breather, and then it's got a drop-in tune, the Power Vision.
Yeah.
So if you need the, I have the tuner still.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna need the tuner for sure.
Yeah, I got that at the house, so I can give you that.
Oh yeah, man. I'm definitely about to try to put it back together as fast as I can and come see about you, man.
Hey, it runs. That bitch ran.
Man, I know.
The only thing I did different on this one, on my new one, is I did the and a D&D.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it did sound kind of crazy out there. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm like, oh yeah, he running people out here, man.
Yeah, that my other bike it was the same shit.
Okay,
the same shit. It ran good.
Okay, you had like speakers on the bags and shit, or what?
So yes, I have the stock bags that were in there, but they're all fucked up.
They crushed up. Okay, you know, it's all good. I was just asking because I was like, I didn't know if it had music on there or something. I just wanted to know everything that was done. But okay.
Yeah, so it's got. I did it was just a 4-speaker setup, but it's got the aftermarket amp, the module that you gotta have for all that shit.
Okay,
it was all done.
Yeah,
I had music and all that.
You got me a hell of a good start, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I was excited when I got it. I'm like, yeah, it's only front end damage, so it ain't too bad.
Bro, all you need to do is replace all the body parts on it.
Yeah, and it's back to A1. Yeah.
All the body parts are fucked up, and other than that, even the bars are still good. They're not bent.
Right, it looked like the triple tree or something else is bent under there, so I'm gonna try to hold on to the bars and see if we can save them, man.
Yeah, the bars ain't bent. They're not bad. But I mean, other than that, fixing everything you see that's fucked up, other than that, it's good. Ain't nothing wrong with the motor. The motor's strong. It's only got probably 5,000 miles on it.
Wow, that's crazy, man. You know it still got a clean title, right? Bro, I just bought it today. I could have got it a little bit cheaper, but I didn't want to bid against nobody and lose out, man.
Yeah, that ain't bad. Like I say, the motor's only got, I think it had just crossed 5,000 miles.
Oh yeah, that's dope, man. I'm excited now, bro.
Yeah, it only had 5,000 miles. And the build.
Who did the build for you?
Sideways.
Oh, okay, bet. Yeah, no, that's cool. It's good then.
Yeah, Sideways did everything on it.
Okay, bet. Yeah, it's good then. I can't wait.
Lil Greg had sent me the video. He's like, "This your old bike, right?"
Yeah.
And I was like, "Yeah." So I tried to hit you. You got everything where you can't nobody get a hold of you unless you want them to.
I'm dying, man. He was like, "Yeah, that's Jimbo bike." I'm like, "All right, let me find Mr. Jimbo, man."
Yeah, I got the tuner, so I can get with you.
Oh yeah, it's all good. When I start putting it back it's no rush right now, but when I start putting it back together in the next couple of days, is, man. I'm gonna hit you once, like towards the end when I finish up. So hopefully, like next week sometime.
Yeah,
man.
just let me know. I'm in Atlanta right now.
Oh, it's all
at
good.
Kings of the South.
Oh, I know you about to have a ball, man.
Yeah, just holler at me. I'll actually put it in the truck when I go to work.
All right, bet. Yeah, this my number too, man. So lock me in. Don't hesitate to call your boy, man, because you know you on my hit list now, man. For real.
Hey, come on with it. Get that bitch put back together.
I got you, man. Don't worry. I appreciate the info, though, man. Good looking out.
All right, bro.
All right, man. Yes, sir. So y'all see what's going on. Mr. Jimbo, this was his old bike. I didn't even ask him how he crashed, but we'll get to that in another video. But y'all see what it got. Y'all heard what it is, man. So the bike only got like 5,000 miles on it, man. I can't wait to put this thing back together. So now, just from looking at the bike, I already washed it off, but just from looking at it and taking it off the trailer, I know I need the whole front end, fork legs, or at least fork tubes, new sliders, inner and outer fairing, of course the radio, and then all the body parts, which is not really a big deal. You guys know we had one literally with like the same front end before. We didn't have nearly as many parts as we did with this bike, man. So pretty confident we're gonna be able to get this bike put back together pretty fast, man. So I'm giving it about a good week before we can start seeing this thing transform. But y'all stay tuned, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys. Next warning here now. Before I take this thing all apart, man, I literally want to see if this thing fires up. I done already tossed a new battery in there, and we're gonna just see what happens, man. Let's hope for the best. We got fuel pump. Now, I haven't heard it here first, but this should be pretty dope if it cranks up. Oh, it cut off. It cut right off. Maybe because the kickstand or it's not down or something. I don't know. But it cut off. Let me see if we can get this thing cranked on again. Yeah, something's up with this wiring or something. It's not gonna stay started right now. So I guess like the hand controls or something is janky right now. Let's see. Mama over here looking like, what's going on, man? What you doing? What you doing, man? It's too loud, man. Mama, see, we got movement. Oh yeah, it's up. It's up. Okay, mama, okay, look. That's that rumble in the jungle. That's that rumble in the jungle, girl. It's time to get all these parts off this thing. Now that we know it starts, running and rides, now it's time to freaking replace everything, man. This is about to be fun. I can't wait for this one, dog. It's up.